Everyone, Miss Diorio from Citizenship Academy here with another skills lesson. Today we're going to review types of sentences. So far we've learned about two different types of sentences. Statements that end in a period. Those tell us something. And then we've also learned about questions that end in a question mark. Questions ask something. Go ahead and draw a question mark in the air. And a period. Okay, I have two sentences here for you. Go ahead and read those on your own and then we'll go over them. So first sentence says, I like to run. Is that a statement or a question? It has a period at the end. It's a statement. It's telling you something. I like to run. Telling you that I like to run, right? Period, statement. Perfect. Second sentence. Do you like to run? Do you notice how my voice went up at the end there? Do you like to run? That is a question. I'm asking you something. Do you like to run? Yes? No? In the middle? And it also has a question mark at the end. Now we're going to learn about another type of sentence. Ready? I love to run. That type of sentence is called an exclamation. Do you notice how excited I said that? I said, I love to run. Super excited. Exclamations are used to show emotion, strong emotions like excitement or really sadness or frustration or joy or fear or surprise. When something is really intense, has a lot of emotion, we use an exclamation point. We call it an exclamation. Now, an exclamation is a little bit different than a question mark and a period. It's a line down with a dot at the end. So I'll draw it on the whiteboard for you. This is what it looks like. You can draw it in the air. Exclamation. You use these to show emotion. You use these to show feeling when you're really excited, surprised, frustrated, scared, all those types of things. Okay? So now we have statements, questions, and exclamations. If you've been following along, we've done flow cabs and brain pops that have already gone over exclamations. So I'm going to replay the brain pop for you right now. Now that we know what exclamations are, I think it'll make a little bit more sense. So I'm going to make myself disappear, and I will put this types of sentences brain pop on for you. Pay attention to the statements made in this video, the questions made in the video, and the exclamations made. Oops, sorry.
This is hard for me to read, Moby. There aren't any punctuation marks, and all of your sentences run together. The right punctuation tells your reader how to read your writing. This sentence is a statement and needs a period. What is a statement? A statement is a sentence that tells something. Let's see. Moby likes dolphins. This is a statement that shares information. This little dot is a punctuation mark called a period. Right, Moby. A sentence always ends in a period. Moby jumps into the ocean. A period signals the end of a thought or an idea. He swims with the dolphins. Remember, you always capitalize the first letter of a sentence. The capital letter signals the start of a new sentence. But not all sentences are statements. That's a good question, Moby. What is a question? A question is a sentence that asks something. Questions usually begin with the words who, what, where, when, why, how, can, or do. Moby, I don't think dolphins eat ice cream. Let's see. What do dolphins eat? You always use a question mark to punctuate a question. And you always capitalize the first letter. Dolphins eat fish and squid. How do dolphins communicate? They click, squeak, creak, and whistle. Remember to capitalize the first letter. I don't think I've ever seen you this excited, Moby. What are exclamations? Yep, dolphins are amazing. This sentence is an exclamation. An exclamation is a sentence that shows a strong feeling. An exclamation can show feelings like excitement, happiness, sadness, anger, or surprise. You use an exclamation mark to punctuate an exclamation. Wow! I see a manta ray. Follow that manta ray, Moby. What is a command? A command is a direction or an order to do something. Look at that shark. This command ends in an exclamation mark. I can think of tons of commands, like stop, wait, listen, go, and run. Commands can end with a period, too. Please tell me the name of that shark. I don't think its name is Jeff. I think it's a nurse shark. Punctuation helps readers understand your writing. So it's important to proofread your punctuation after you write. Perfect, Moby. What ocean animal are you going to write about next?
I love them. I love Moby. All right, let's practice. I wrote some sentences out. I want you to tell me or draw with your hand whether it would end with a period, a question mark, or an exclamation point. The exclamation point is line down, dot. So practice that. Period for statement, question mark for question, exclamation point for excitement. Okay, first sentence. I will go to the store today. What would we put at the end of that sentence? Period, because it's a statement. I'm not super excited to go to the store, and I'm not asking you to go to the store. I'm just telling you, I will go to the store today. Period at the end. Next one, ready? Watch out! A lot of emotion. I'm going to put an exclamation point. I'm exclaiming something. I'm excited about it. Exclamation point. Next one. Can I eat this cake? What am I going to put at the end of that sentence? Question. I'm asking you, can I eat this cake? I would love to have some cake. Asking you, question. Have you ever been to Spain? What's going to go at the end? Question mark. I'm asking you, have you ever been to Spain? I've never been to Spain. It'd be really cool if you have. Next one. I loved that movie. Really excited about it, right? I love that movie. I'm excited. I'm showing emotion. I'm going to put a exclamation point. All right, last one. We can go outside to play. Just telling you, right? Telling you, making a statement. Period at the end. We can go outside to play. Cool. I wrote all these out for you. I will put them on Google Classroom for you to look at, use as an example. Now, these ones you can read on your own. I'm going to hold it up for you, and then I want you to tell me what's going to go at the end of this sentence. Read it together, but you tell me. Period, question mark, or exclamation point. It says, Kate's mom and dad went on a trip. What's going to go at the end of that sentence? Period, right? Just telling you, they went on a trip. Cool beans. Done. Next sentence, I'll give you a minute to read it on your own. Where did Kate spend last summer? What are we going to put at the end of that sentence? We're asking, right? We're going to put a question mark at the end. Where did Kate spend last summer? We don't know, so we're going to put a question mark. Last one. Kate had a lot of fun. Now, two different things you could put at the end of this. Either one is fine. Draw in the air what you think. So you could do a period, just saying Kate had a lot of fun. Or if you think Kate's really excited about it, put an exclamation point. I'm going to put an exclamation point because I love exclamation points. Kate had a lot of fun. Yay! What you're going to notice about each of these sentences that we just did is they all start with a capital and end with some kind of punctuation. Period, question mark, or exclamation point, doesn't matter. It ends with something. All start with a capital, all end with what they need to. Your job is, I'm going to put up a bunch of sentences for you. So this, I want you to get a piece of paper and try it on your own and send a picture, because I'm not going to have you edit this document because it's just saying the sentences. But there are 8 sentences. What you need to do is make sure each sentence starts with a capital and ends with a period, a question mark, or an exclamation point. Whatever you think it should end with, whether it's a statement, a question, or an exclamation. So get a piece of paper and you're going to rewrite each of these sentences to start with a capital and end with punctuation. All right? Send me a picture when you're done.